Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the left front roller assembly on your refrigerator, lift up the left side of the appliance and support it. Fully unthread the leveling leg. Now use a 5/16" socket or nut driver to unthread the 2 screws to release the old roller assembly. Install the new roller assembly by aligning it on the frame, then thread the screws to secure. Thread the leveling leg in. Remove the support and lower the appliance.